When I grow up, I want to be better, greater, successful. I'm going to be the artist that interviews artists. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl LoloRee. I'm back with another makeup tutorial with aspiring celebrity makeup artist Get Your Fleek On. Get Your Fleek On's trying some Valentine's Day looks on Pittsburgh artist Josililydon. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on YouTube, and subscribe to our pages. And comment some things below, some ideas. We really want to try some more new looks.
We're moving. How did we get here? With the right mind, up in the atmosphere. You told me that we could do it every day, me and you, and trying so hard, building our crew, loving till dark. It's what we do. Doesn't it feel good to know that we're on the same path? All this love in the air, all these smiles and the care, it makes me feel so good. We're moving. How did we get here? With the right mind, up in the atmosphere. I've always known it's my passion, going forward, no more crashing. There's no limit we can't pass, believe it all. Doesn't it feel good to know that we're on the same path? Yeah. All this love in the air, all these smiles and the care, it makes me feel so good. We're growing. My knowledge is so clear. With this pure soul, I have no more fear. So take it all away. I'm waiting on my day. There's nothing you can say to stop us. Just looking at the goal and clearing out my soul and praying for my whole team. Try us, try us. We ain't playing with you. We ain't playing with you. We ain't playing with you. We're growing. My knowledge is so clear. With this pure soul,